Gold against US dollar this week has dropped significantly again, and also the previous week analysis have mentioned that this confluence of resistance could trigger also the sell-off. We can also see that we have here a bearish pin bar formed. Just a minute. Bearish pin bar, okay. A bearish pin bar that's formed here, and also the Monday has started with this small bearish candle which has closed below. The trigger for the sell-off was breakout of this confluence of support and resistance, and we can see that has happened on a Tuesday. On a Tuesday we can see the price drop significantly, and on a Wednesday the price stopped right here where the confluence of support and resistance is. From there the price has returned back up, forming this bullish small candle, and then again making a retest of the previous support, now acting as a resistance. So we can see we have here also a bearish pin bar. Just a minute. A bearish pin bar that is formed here, which is suggesting that the price could fall down. And then let's see on the weekly time frame how this looks after the price has reached this area where the confluence of resistance is. The price has dropped down. We can see that the price has stopped here where the small confluence of support is, and also it is very close here to this resistance. Now the price did not reach this price level, which is 1913, but it was very close at 1914, and we can see that after the price has made retrace on a weekly time frame with the 2 weeks bullish, now we have a bearish week. We also see that the price is currently inside the downtrend channel, and the price is respecting this resistance, which is also a confluence of resistance that has pushed the price down. If we go to the monthly time frame, we will see that after the price has made testing in the previous month, these lower levels, the price is continuing to fall down. As it looks, if we make the analysis for this month, how this looks, there is a high probability that the price will reach again the lower side, and that is around this 1900. So on the upper side, the price needs to break above 1964 to return into bullish mode. But for now, as it looks on the weekly and also daily time frame and also monthly time frame, this will not happen very soon, except something strongly happens for the bulls. But for now, as it looks, the price is continuing to fall down, and there is a probability that this month could end a bearish one. But we have still 3 more weeks until this month ends, so I will stay on the safe side and wait to see how this will work on the weekly and also daily time frame. If we go to the weekly time frame, the next support is here. As it looks, the price will probably not reach higher price levels, but we will see on the daily time frame how this looks. On the weekly time frame, as it looks right now, the target for now is around this price level here, which is 1913 and also 1910. If the price goes below this on the weekly time frame, I am expecting the price will continue to move down, reaching again the lower side of this 1899 support level, and it is, we can see it here, a confluence of support and resistance on the weekly time frame. If we go to the daily time frame, it will be much more clear. After the price has made breakout to this support, now acting as a resistance, the price has formed this bearish pin bar. If the price goes down on the Monday or Tuesday and closes below this price level 1914, we can see it here, reaching 1913, this will be a signal for me for sure that the price will continue to move down and reaching this demand zone, and also the lower part of this demand zone, which is 1900 as a round number. On the upper side, if the price goes above and closes above this resistance level, it will have hard time to break above this supply zone, because here are the sellers, and also we have here a downtrend channel, a resistance line that is preventing the price from reaching higher price levels. I am expecting that the price will continue to move down, but this will need to be confirmed. If you would like to see how I'm expecting that the price will reach, and also what are the entry ideas, and also what is the stop loss or the take profit, I'm sharing that inside the trading community. So if you would like to see it, join and check, and also share your ideas or questions that you have for this trading pair. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.